Hi, welcome. So today we are going to talk about, literally, you're going to watch me to demonstrate how you can create a portfolio website for free. You don't need to pay for anything. Today we are going to use card.co, CARD.co. And we've been using this website to create our website. This is a web hosting site. Watch the previous videos to learn how we designed a website for free. So let's go to the new site. This is actually my dashboard. So when you log in or sign up, go to new site and choose a portfolio. So today we're going to use a template, a free template. So it's easier for us when we are doing our thing. Okay, there are just a few here. Let me see the one we can easily select and use. I don't know the one I chose, but let's see. This one, let's see how it goes. Well, I don't really like this one. Let's see, maybe we can select this and see what happens. You can just keep trying to choose from anyone that you like best. Let's just select anyone. Let's select anyone and work with it. I feel like I like this one because it has the contact and everything. So we are using this template. So the first thing you need to consider when you are, let's edit this. I can edit it. You can edit it to your name, however you want it. So let me increase this one. Let me increase the size and the weight. You can decide to none. You can decide to change the font or however you want it. Let's see whether we can create a gradient. Let's do this one. You can do it however you want it. It all depends on you. Okay, so now the first thing you need to do, as I said, is your about section. So we can change this to about. I want to make this video quick. You can change this to about. This will be your about section. you do not need this link or button. So this should be your about section, and this should be where you can input your picture. Just tap on it and upload from your file or downloads, and that's it. Okay, so this is our about section, and then the next thing we can talk about our review. This can actually be in a separate section, like here. This can be in a separate section, and then I can put the alignment in the center, but then I need to make a space. So I would add a divider. If you watched my previous video, I said that make sure the divider is the same color with. Now, if you want to change this, your background. Oh, this is not the background color. Let's check out the page color here. Now the page color, okay, it's on default. So let's do the background color. Let's check the background color. This is the background color. Let me copy and make. So this background, when you go to the three lines here, you can click on background, and when you do, it's gonna pop up for you to change the color however you want it. If you want the pattern or not, you can decide to choose a dotted line for our pattern however we want it. So that's how it is. You can change the color however you want it. So this should be maybe client reviews, or we can do goals and objectives. Goals and objective. You can decide to put a picture there or not if you don't want it. And this one we can put client reviews. Or we can start with result. It's too bold, so let's reduce the size. And then the alignment should be center. So this is the work results. But you have to make sure that this title is the same size with these other ones, so it aligns. So work result, and this definitely will come here, and this would be reviews, and this is your review. So this review, I'm going to do something here. We don't need this text really for the reviews. So this is a container, but we don't need this container here. We need a gallery. No. So let me click on this plus button, gallery. This gallery, I want it to be like, you can keep adding, add to how many you want it, and then you can click on, when you click on it, drop down, upload the image of your reviews, your client's reviews. When you're done, you can put it, when you're done, you can activate the lightbox option. And yeah, you can protect people from downloading your images if you don't want people to download your image. Now the mode, I want it to be lightbox. So whenever I click on any of the images, when it's published, it will enlarge to for you to read more. So that's how you create a review. Make sure it's neat like this. You don't start creating. Let me show you when you start creating images. For example, you want to add a review image, then you click on image. You click on image, duplicate the image, and it gets a lot messy, right? So the gallery is much better. That's for that one. And also in your work results, make sure you also add a gallery. Work results, gallery, add, 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 add as much as you want to add. It depends on you and how many work results that you have. So okay. Okay. So the next thing you can have is your recognition. So this would come up. If you've had any award or recognition before, you can add it here. So it's going to be either in writing or in a gallery. I've already showed you how to do gallery. And then the next thing you should have here is academic qualification. Come up here. How many degrees do you have or diplomas do you have? All of them should come here. Or certificates that you have. And then work history should come next. If you don't want to disclose every detail, you can ask anyone to request for your resume. So work history, there shouldn't be any image there. Or maybe they should, but make sure if you're writing it out here, it is worth it. So after your work history, let's delete this page or container. Don't preserve. So here, contact. Your contact detail will definitely include your social media handles, your email, and everything else that you want to showcase or you want to be seen outside. If you don't want your phone number to be seen outside, do not write it. It's simple. So now we have a work history, academic qualification, recognition, reviews, work results, goals and objectives, about. Make sure you take your time to write this about section. So let's actually change the container color. Let me change the container color to this. I can change it to this. Oh, this is the border. Um, okay, so background, let's select color, change it to any of the colors. Let's copy this. So you can decide to change it up. Oh, everything is already changed, which is amazing because they are all in the same appearance. They are all in a spotlight appearance. So this is it. You can decide to do anything you want. The height is too much for this one, so let me reduce it so that you can accommodate a lot of other things. So, but in all that you do, make sure you edit for mobile, please. Make sure you edit for mobile. Like this, how you edit for mobile in gallery is when you come, let me go back. Click on it, definitely it's going to bring up this. Then click on this thing that looks like a brush and scroll down, and the mobile part click on manual, and the style should definitely be, that's the auto. Well, let's fill it up. Let's fill it up. Fill. So yeah. Let's see captions. Okay, so you can do whatever you want here, however you want it. It's a mobile view, so you have to optimize for it. So now we have a portfolio. It doesn't have to be too complicated, something simple. And at the end, you can add a button, get in touch, maybe your email address or a booking link, book a call. If you have a website, you can come up here and link your website button. You can come up here and link your button. This button, I just want it to be no icon. Label only, and I can change the button to visit my website at www. Whatever your website name is, and then the color. The color should be the color of your containers. Visit my website, however it is. Divider, divider. Okay. This text is going the wrong direction. Alignment, left. Okay. So you can do something very creative. Make sure you add everything about a good about section is actually a good starting point. So make sure you have that. What are your goals and objectives? If you do, what's your work result? What are your reviews? Now, work result is actually, for example, you're a graphic designer. You list some of your best works here. If you're a content writer, some of your best contents, screenshots. And then the result, you can do the before and after and everything, right? Work result and work itself. Work result and the work itself. Their recognition. We can actually duplicate this and say, you can duplicate this and say services. Definitely services needed to be here. For example, we duplicate this, bring it up here. So it divides the both. So let's say this will be services. Then work results, etc. Reviews. So how do you save this? If you're on a free account, it's very much easy. You can just name this portfolio, copy and paste, less stress. All right, so publish to a card URL is actually the best thing to do, right? So let's do something. You can just do portfolio dot your name dot card dot go. What? Portfolio dot your name. What's happening here? I don't know what's happening there really, because my portfolio has a dot. So portfolio dot name, portfolio dot gold. Okay. I don't know what happened, what's happening here. Maybe it's a network or something, because I don't really understand. Portfolio pressures or portfolio name, wherever, then you publish this place. Okay, this is an image, but at the same time, okay, let's do something about it anyway. Okay, so I think I forgot to say something here. These are icons. So if you want it to be for Instagram for example, you can add your Instagram profile link. If you have a Twitter, if you don't have a Twitter, you remove it and add any other social media platform. I can come here and just remove it. If you delete from here, to delete the entire icon. That's how it works. Okay, so publish to portfolio precious. Let's see what's happening to this first element. Anyway, I've already told you there should be a picture right here. So the picture should be right here. I don't want this to be too much. Uh-oh. Oops. Okay, five more. Anyway, there should be pictures here, so add photos here. Add photos here. But you already, I don't know what to say, but I don't want to add any pictures here. So make sure you add pictures before it gets published because it's going to create an error. You have to complete the website before except you want to create an online draft. But I've already shown you how you can generate your own portfolio, website, and link without paying a dime. You're just promoting the company and it's not bad. So that's pretty much it. That's for that today. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe to my channel for more details. Subscribe for more insights. I'm planning something big for you. You that is watching, I'm planning something big and I'm going to make an announcement on that very soon. For now, thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel for more insight on a lot of things you need to really learn: money, business, skill, tech, etc. So, I'll see you next time. Bye.